Mga kababayan, latest update lang po sa kaso ni former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte before the ICC. Ang lead counsel, Attorney Nicholas Kaufman, requested the appeals chamber to disqualify from further involvement po si Chief Prosecutor Karim Khan. Bakit po ba? They discovered that Chief Karim Khan actually was representing the alleged victim of the war on drugs. And he failed to disclose this prior to becoming the chief prosecutor. This is basically, as what Attorney Nicholas Kaufman mentioned in his request, a clear conflict of interest. This is so consequential po sa kaso ng PRRD because of this disclosure na dapat ginawa ng chief prosecutor before even the warrant of arrest was being requested para po hulihin si former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Let us wait for further updates because hopefully we will have more information in the coming days. Maraming salamat po. Let us share this very consequential update to everyone para po malaman ng buong bayan kung ano ang nangyayari sa kaso ni former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte before the ICC.